Well, I just want to walk you around my house. This is my backyard, my two little decks, and here goes Buddy. Hello, Buddy. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Oh, he's a happy puppy, huh? You a happy puppy? Is he a happy puppy? What about you, Roddy? Come here. What are you doing, Butters? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Huh? What you doing? Here comes the Roddy monster. There's the Roddy Chaw. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What is it? You gonna get it? Huh? What is it? It's a bird. There you go. It's gonna get you. 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 Come on. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Huh? What is it? What is it? Huh? I'm gonna get you. Here I come. I'm gonna get you. Yes. Well, that's my backyard. My dog's playing. Roddy's a good puppy, huh? You gonna get it? He's gonna get you. I'll get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. Here I come. Yeah, it's my grill. This is used to have water run through here when the melt-off started coming, but they've been stealing all the water and diverting it, so we don't get that flow like we used to. And then there's the downstairs entrance to the basement. Oh, over here. And here's my car. My epic failure yesterday. Who would have ever thought that same year, different size? That's just bullshit. There's my truck. There's my pretty trees. Pain in the ass yard to mow. It is pretty though. Good exercise. Old car, Kayla's car, Chris's car, my car, my wife. Still doing her little garden thing.